Hello students, today let us learn to read 6-digit numbers. When you are reading the number, first you have to say the place value of that number, that is ones, tens, hundred, then you have to say comma, thousand, 10,000, comma and lakh. Again I am saying ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma and lakh. When you say like this, no, it becomes easy for you to read the number. So let's begin. Here under ones place there is 0, under tens place there is 0, under hundred place there is 0, then I have written comma there. Under thousands place there is 0, under 10,000 place there is 0, and under lakh place there is 1. So you read this number as 1 lakh. So students, 1 lakh is a 6-digit number. Let us take one more example. Here under ones place there is 4, under tens place there is 5, under hundred place there is 3, and then comma, under thousand place there is 6, under 10,000 place there is 7, and under lakh place there is 2. Here under ones place there is 4 is equal to 4, under tens place there is 5 is equal to 5 tens means 50, under hundred place there is 3 is equal to 300, under thousand place there is 6 is equal to 6,000, under 10,000 place there is 7 is equal to 70,000, under lakh place there is 2 is equal to 2 lakhs. So number becomes 2 lakhs 76,354. Let's take one more example. Here under ones place there is 2, under tens place there is 6, under hundred place there is 0, under thousand place there is 8, under 10,000 place there is 7, and under lakh place there is 4. Under ones place there is 2 is equal to 2, under tens place there is 6 is equal to 60, under hundred place there is 0 means 0, nothing is there, under thousand place there is 8 is equal to 8,000, under 10,000 place there is 7 is equal to 70,000, and under lakh place there is 4 is equal to 4 lakhs. So when you read this number, we read it as 4,78,062. Here there is no 100, so no need of saying 100. Directly you have to say 62 without saying 100. 4,78,062. So when you are having a number in front of you, always say ones, tens, hundred, then put comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, and then lakh. You read it as 4,78,062. I hope you understood. Thank you.